Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by selecting the exact text layer that needs the only way effect, and then load the preset. Do this now. Once done, make sure font, size, and color match your design intent so the effect reads clearly. Check composition, resolution, and frame rate. These change timing and crispness. If the preset isn't visible, install or import it immediately. You need it active to proceed. This step primes everything so subsequent adjustments behave predictably. Now adjust the core parameters. Increase or decrease intensity, set spread, and pick a direction that complements motion. You will animate offset and opacity with keyframes to create the only way reveal, stagger timing across characters for rhythm, and apply easing to smooth acceleration. Make sure to use masks or guides to limit the effect to specific words or areas. This prevents bleed onto other layers. Once your motion looks natural, scrub the timeline, finish by rendering a short preview at full quality, and inspect anti-aliasing, timing, and color balance. You want clean edges and readable motion. Once happy, optimize. Pre-render heavy compositions or lower preview quality during final tweaks so playback stays smooth. If results look glitchy, artifacts, stuttering, or wrong timing, reset the effect parameters, clear your software cache, and reapply the only way preset. This usually resolves corrupt settings. Finally, export using the correct codec and frame rate for your delivery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.